Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Candy Cam Doom. So as you guys can see, I have a couple of glasses here and I have one bottle of orange juice. Today's video, I'm going to pretty much demonstrate to you exactly how you can take control of your finances in 2024 moving forward. Like, I'm not saying this because I just think this is the way to go. I've actually done this in my own life and it changed my financial situation forever, guys. I'm telling you, you do this for a year and you will see great results. Check it out. Imagine this orange bottle right here as your income. Let's say that you made some money outside of your 9 to 5, right? And you made $10,000. These glasses right here represent your different checkings account that you have at your bank. You're gonna have one for your day-to-day expenses. You're gonna have one for your investments account. You're gonna have one for your taxes. And then you're gonna have one just for your general savings account. This one right here, I'm pretty much putting it a little bit to the side because it's more for if you're like an entrepreneur. This is gonna be basically your business expense account. So you just got $10,000. The first thing you want to do is you want to determine how much you're gonna pay yourself. Always pay yourself first. It's very important that you pay yourself as little as you possibly can so you can live on as little as you possibly can, because the main accounts are gonna grow and that's the most important part. The rule of thumb is you want to be able to live off 30 to 40% of what you make every single month. So you're gonna pour 40% of your income into this checkings account. This is your investment account. So you always want to put away 10% away for investments. So you're gonna go ahead and you put 10% right here. Right here, this is gonna be your account for your taxes. Assuming that you haven't already paid taxes on the money, you're gonna assume you're gonna get taxed at 25%. All right? So you're getting taxed at 25% of your money. So now you have the remaining that you can pour into your savings account, and then also if you're an entrepreneur, you will pour some into your business expense account. So if you are a regular day-to-day guy, you're just gonna pour the rest into your savings account. But just for the sake of the video, let's say you have an investment account, you have a business that you want to run, you're gonna pour some in your business account. So you have 40% here, 10% here, you already have 50%. You have 25% here, so you're at 75% now. So you have left 25% for your savings account and then also for your business expense. But I'm just gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna focus on these four right here, guys. You have 25% left that you put into your savings account. Guys, if you do this for 5 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, imagine how much you will have in your savings account. Imagine. And imagine how much you have in your investments account. Think about it. These are accounts that are gonna benefit you and you only. This is gonna be like, oh, okay, if you wanna go out on dates, if you wanna go to the movie, if you wanna go clubbing, you gotta pay your credit card bills, you gotta pay your rent, you gotta pay your food bills, all of this. This is this cup right here. So that's where the 40% is gonna go to. If you can figure out how to live on 40% of your income, these accounts are gonna grow tremendously. And then now at the end of the year, you're gonna be sitting on $5, $10, $20,000 in your account, and you're gonna be like, whoa, I didn't know I didn't know I had this much money at my disposal. You didn't know because you never really broke it down like that. You just took one lump sum check and you started spending all around. No, man, to 2024, that ends. 2024, every check you get, you split it, you split it, you split it, you split it, and then watch your account grow. If you like this video, man, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, or follow me, and you'll see me the next video.